good thing.
She sees Tigger, she sees France.
She sees Piglet's underpants.
Oh, what?
Look at that.
The big bag right there.
Oh.
That's Pooh Bear and Tigger and Piglet.
They've got that thing on the outside of that, so put it back in there.
Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh
She's
Bear.
wiping down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's me and it's you. Silly old Winnie the Pooh.
Whoa, that's crazy.
What?
This is handmade.
Is it handmade?
This is handcrafted.
Handcrafted.
Feel-o-vision.
Feel-o-vision again. And now we feel. Wow.
Isn't that soft?
That is nice.
My dad is my hero.
I love that.
There's the next one.
Who's it from?
What happens if I go past 7-something minutes?
Okay, me. Gina, forgot my card, sorry.
Oh, okay.
I wonder who is that.
Belinda and Gino.
Belinda and Gina. And Gino. Oh, the gift is the one who got that. Okay. Let's do this one next.
All right.
There you go, your turn.
Nyucks. Nyuk, nyuk, nyuk.
Nyah, nyah, nyah. That's 3.
And that's Larry, that's Curly, and that's Mo.
One's vodka, one's scotch, and one is bourbon. So let me get to
Hey, now.
Just don't drink
One
them all at
bourbon,
once.
one scotch.
Those are much like mother's nipples.
Oh, look at that.
They're supposed to be better
Okay.
for babies' teeth.
Except for they're extremely transparent. You
Right.
can see right through.
They really are. They're very easy to go from breastfeeding. Yeah.
That's good.
That's awesome.
You don't want to have a different type nipple.
Yeah. We're going to need to get him
The
Taken.
pacifiers. Yeah, she's like, okay. The nip pacifier.
Now this is an uncomfortable conversation for me to be in the middle of.
It's a good thing you're the cameraman. You're not
This is just like Mommy's nipples. She knows.
Yes, I do. I actually am a labor and delivery nurse. Thank you.
She really does know.
And he's like, we started talking about Nikki, and he was like,
That's one.
a onesie.
That's all my favorite colors in there.
Oh, that's right.
looks like he's already in it.
You got the Miami Hurricanes colors right there in the middle.
That's right.
And then it's got Broncos colors right here.
Yeah, that's right. You got all the guys going on at the
Yeah.
same time.
We can cover up that part. This is hitting.
Okay, we have.
Ooh, receiving blankets. Snuggling blankets.
Oh, sweet.
That's very cute. It's got helicopters and cars. And stars.
Planes and trains and automobiles.
This is the colors that we're using in the nursery. So the light blues, the whites, and the dark blues. So
Very nice.
this will go perfectly.
Sounds like a football term. Receiving.
Cloth diapers.
Mom said she's
More interested than
I'm glad they came with instructions on the back because I would not know what to do.
You're going to have to be sure to instruct how to use those. That way you can use them. I'll use the regular ones. You can use the washable.
Are you reading directions?
You can use those as burping.
Oh, you can use those burpees?
Well, you can use them as a bunch of different stuff.
I used to
And when your baby goes to microphone,
You can wash the car with those too.
Oh, if I just read the thing on here, it would tell me everything. Multi-purpose use. Ideal for diapering, burping, changing, nursing.
What do you think they were getting it for?
And car washing, waxing.
dusting and car washing.
I don't know if I would use this for car washing and waxing.
Well, not after you use it on the baby, I'm sure not, but.
Or before, either.
Oh, true.
But
I think that's for the baby, not you.
Well, it depends. If you've got a really nice car, you might call it your baby.
yeah, this is for my baby.
Okay, here's the cards from your room.
Thank you guys.
This one was on the floor, and I'm going to give it to her after this one, and then see if there was something supposed to be with it or not. Because I don't know. cut it and pass it around.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, your mom. Your mom.
My his
That happens to be a crib.
Here's the card. I'm not sure if anything was supposed to be with it. It was on the floor, so I don't know if it's.
Oh, okay.
Not sure.
Oops.
Okay.
That'd be my finger that got in front of the lens a couple times. Sorry.
This is from Riley, David, and Amanda and Ryan.
Okay, that's what we
She's over
weren't
there,
sure.
next to Janai. She's over next to Janai.
Yeah, that's the one.
That then.
Yeah, okay, here we go. It's safari time.